Located in the Philippines, the food division of Blaine Manufacturing produces seasonings, premixes, and blends, provides tolling services, and supplies flavors, herbs, spices, and other ingredients to the food industry. To meet increased demand for its premixes and marinades and improve worker safety, the company installed a Flexicon semi-automated feeding system that conveys powdered ingredients from a bag dump station in one room to high-capacity ribbon blenders in another room. To prepare a batch, operators empty handheld sacks at an ergonomic height into a Flexicon bag dump station through a grate to catch any bag scraps. A fold-down support tray helps to stage, open, and empty the bags. At the control panel, an operator uses a touchscreen to input the variable feed rate of the flexible screw conveyor and the setting of the pneumatically actuated Y diverter at the conveyor's discharge. Initiating a cycle starts the flexible conveyor screw, which moves the material through a small opening at a 40-degree incline and discharges through the diverter valve to the desired blender, after which a blending cycle is initiated. The conveyor's stainless steel inner flexible screw is the only moving part contacting the material and is driven beyond the discharge point, preventing product contact with seals or bearings. It is removed daily through a quick-release clean-out cap, allowing thorough washdown, while the food-grade polymer outer tube and stainless steel hopper are cleaned in place. The enclosed system prevents contamination of the product and plant environment and reduces the physical burden on plant personnel who previously needed to empty bags directly into the blenders. According to the company, material handling, worker safety, convenience, and cleanliness all improved markedly. For details on Flexicon flexible screw conveyors, Flexicon bag dump stations, and Flexicon's full line of bulk handling equipment, visit flexicon.com.